Hi, my name is Dr. Bonnie Seipelt, one of the administrators with Harrisburg Virtual Learning Academy in Harrisburg School District. Harrisburg Virtual Learning Academy is an online program for Harrisburg School District students in grades K through 12 that allows them to have a personalized approach. We have teachers K through 12 who are doing synchronous instruction with students each day. In addition to core instruction in Harrisburg Virtual Learning Academy, students are able to participate in extracurricular activities within the school district. Harrisburg Virtual Learning Academy is special for students in Harrisburg School District because it allows them to have a customized schedule based on their needs. As we've expanded in the past year with HVLA, we started with 4 teachers in grades K through 5, but are now thrilled to be able to offer grades K through 12. HVLA is the perfect learning option for families in Harrisburg School District looking for an educational program for students in grades K through 12. I'm Dr. Bonnie Seipelt, and we welcome you to enroll in HVLA.